seek that sell side liquidity and ultimately want to continue heading higher. So I wanted to see this displace through here, but I wanted to see us come up a little bit higher so that my risk was lower. Didn't get that. So missed an entry there. But let's look and see another example of price sensitivity. So now we're down to this quadrant, 125.25. And let's see how we react here. Do we quickly bounce up or do we knife lower? If we knife lower, we're probably going to go lower for a little bit. And then when we come back, we see how we move around price. But you can see we have this displacement here. And this is where we've spent the most time so far, right in this area. So price sensitivity right there. So let's take a look at the 1 minute here. And you can see this high is the top of this first presented fair value gap from Friday. So we'll take off one more contract here and we'll just let this last one run. So this entry was it was a suspension block. Let's go back. See the suspension block right here. But on top of that, we got to be careful here because we may get stopped out. Because that was super sharp. That was a super sharp move. But anyway, this entry was a suspension block, but more importantly, we used the price sensitivity level. So you saw me mention that when we got down to, where is it, 120, 125, 25, when we got down to this level, we spent the most time right here out of any of the other areas when we were having this delivery. So you could see that that was price sensitivity right here. And we just spent a little bit of time here, wicked down, and then quickly moved up. So you can see that it was sensitive enough to send us back up. We may get stopped out here. I'm going to let this one run, but I did want to take this entry just to reiterate what price sensitivity is and what it looks like on the chart. So that's that. So not the most efficient price action here at all, which that's expected, considering we are at all-time highs. We are 60, 70 candles, 60 candles out from the actual all-time high, which we got this morning. So it makes sense that this isn't the most efficient price action. Um, did look like we were going to get this bounce here with this price sensitivity.